This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for March 26, 2018. Corn market down 2 to 3, beans down 1 to 2 3/4, Chicago wheat down 4 to 6, Minneapolis down 3 to 5.5, Kansas City down 10 to 11 here today. When you look to the overall reasons as to why we are weaker, we're really just marking time right now. When you look to the rain event here for winter wheat country, it's been jockeying to the western areas, the eastern areas, and it's been back and forth, and that's really going to be in the importance here this week as to where that rain falls. We really need some in western Texas, Oklahoma, and even parts of southwestern areas of Kansas. And if we get those, you know, we could see the market maybe follow back through and get down to these lower prices we were just at. If we miss them there for the western areas, the wheat market can come back up pretty quick. But obviously some rain adding some relief to those areas, and that's the focal point. Beans, it wasn't great coverage in Argentina, but another weekend where we kind of hit the areas that needed it. We're obviously not doing any part of breaking the drought, but enough to at least get the crop by. We're still trying to quantify damage there. A lot of private estimates really in that 39 to 42 million metric ton area for Argentine production. So we're kind of left here with corn in the balance. Looking at the weather outside, I think there could be some support that comes up as cool temperatures kind of rule the roost for the next 2.5 weeks. We've also got circumstances where we're seeing a lot of rain in the southern eastern areas particularly, but southern areas in general, where we're going to see a slow corn planting through those areas. Also, when we look to the crop report here, average trade guess for corn at 89.4 million acres, soybeans at 91.056. When you look to the stocks numbers, 8.703 the average trade guess for corn, soybeans 2.03, and wheat at 1.498 for stocks. Reminder of what stocks are. Stocks are just a measure of time. So as of March 1st, it's how much inventory is in the U.S. We'll get another stocks number in June, and then the final one in September, and that's the carryout number that we're always trying to guess there with the end of year supplies. Feeder cattle today down 77.5 to 175, live cattle down 87.5 to 135, hogs up 2.5, so 0.025 in the fronts, down 40 in the backs. You know, cattle hog market trying to come off a weekend here where we didn't have much good news in regards to weather trends. Really not encouraging to see this weather activity. We really need to see grilling season pick up to get some demand structure under here, and that doesn't look to happen for at least the next couple weeks. So we're left reeling from the negative cattle on feed report and the struggles we've been dealing with in the cash undertones and heavy weights. So we'll see where that kind of takes us here as we work through the week. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Company, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation.